I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to hide your gaming history on your PS5. Whether you're trying to surprise a friend with a new game or just prefer to keep your PlayStation 5 gaming habits a little more private, I've got you covered. I'll show you exactly how to hide your PS5 gaming history, trophies, and other related activities. Now let's walk through the steps to hide your gaming history on your PS5. Step 1. Navigate to your PlayStation 5 home screen and then click your PS5 profile icon at the top of this screen to open a menu. Step 2. Click Profile in this menu. You'll land on your PS5 profile screen. Step 3. Click the Privacy Settings icon on this screen. The View and Customize Your Privacy Settings screen is displayed. Step 4. Scroll down to the Your Activity section and then click Who Can See Your Gaming History. A drop-down menu opens with options for who will be able to see what PS5 games you've played, your trophies, and your participation in challenges. Step 5. Choose Friends if you just want friends to be able to see your PlayStation 5 gaming history, or choose No One if you don't want anyone to see your PS5 gaming history. In this example, I'll choose No One. Your changes will be applied immediately, and your PS5 gaming history will be hidden from other users based on your settings. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video, or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.